Hello and welcome. In today's video, we're diving deep into the world of artificial intelligence and exploring the top 10 AI tools that can make you the most money in 2025 and beyond. This isn't just a simple list, this is a complete guide designed to show you how each tool works, why it generates income, and how you can turn it into a real business. Whether you're a content creator, a freelancer, an entrepreneur, or just someone looking to build a new stream of income, you're gonna find something extremely valuable here. So sit back, relax, and let's begin. 1. ChatGPT, the ultimate money-making powerhouse. ChatGPT is more than just a chatbot. It is the backbone of modern digital entrepreneurship. This AI can write YouTube scripts, blog posts, ads, emails, essays, business plans, copywriting templates, product descriptions, and even full books. What makes ChatGPT so profitable is the speed and accuracy it delivers. Instead of spending hours writing, you can generate entire scripts in minutes. Many freelancers offer ChatGPT-based services on Fiverr and Upwork, YouTube script writing, SEO content writing, social media post creation, translation, proofreading, and more. And because the demand is huge, skilled freelancers can earn thousands of dollars per month. In addition to freelance work, ChatGPT can also automate customer support, generate marketing campaigns, and even help build online businesses from scratch. It's essentially the digital worker you never had, but always needed. Midjourney, high-income digital art generation. Midjourney is one of the most powerful AI image generators ever created. With simple prompts, the tool can produce logos, posters, branding kits, cartoon-style images, realistic portraits, product photos, YouTube thumbnails, and even fantasy artwork. The real magic, though, is in the profit opportunities. People earn money with Midjourney in dozens of ways. Selling digital art on Etsy, creating YouTube thumbnails for creators, designing logos for small businesses, producing book covers for self-published authors, offering custom art commissions. Even if you have zero design skills, Midjourney turns your ideas into visuals worth paying for. With the rise of digital marketplaces, this tool has become one of the most profitable AI platforms globally. 3. DALL, instant, high-quality visual creation. DALL-E by OpenAI is another incredible tool for generating compelling visuals in seconds. Unlike Midjourney, DALL-E excels at producing clean, simple, and polished graphics perfect for social media. Creators use DALL-E to generate thumbnails, create viral Instagram posts, produce attention-grabbing ads, make unique artwork for videos. Since thumbnails and visuals directly affect YouTube click-through rate, DALL-E indirectly boosts your channel earnings. A single well-designed thumbnail can double or triple your video views, meaning higher ad revenue and more subscribers. 4. 11 Labs, realistic AI voiceovers that pay well. 11 Labs is currently the most realistic AI voice generation tool available. With it, you can create professional quality narrations in dozens of languages and voices. This opens the door to multiple income streams: audiobook narration, YouTube documentary voiceover, commercial voiceovers, TikTok narration, podcast-style storytelling. Voiceover is a multi-billion-dollar industry, and 11 Labs allows you to compete without expensive equipment, studio setups, or professional microphones. Many creators use AI narration to produce long documentary-style YouTube videos that earn substantial ad revenue. 5. Pika Labs, AI video creation for explosive growth. Pika Labs is transforming how video content is created. With a single prompt, it can generate dynamic, cinematic, and visually stunning video scenes. You no longer need expensive cameras, actors, or editing equipment. People are already earning money by creating AI short films, producing TikTok and Instagram Reels. Making story-based viral clips, generating ads for businesses. AI-generated video channels on YouTube are growing extremely fast, some gaining millions of views in a matter of weeks. With Pika Labs, you can launch a unique visual storytelling channel with minimal effort. 6. Runway ML, video editing and VFX automation. Runway ML is an AI-driven editing suite used by professionals in film, advertising, and social media. It can remove backgrounds, add effects, upscale low-quality footage, animate images, and even turn text into video. The tool reduces editing time by more than 60%, allowing editors to take on more clients in less time. This leads to higher earnings and faster delivery, two things clients appreciate most. Video editing remains one of the most in-demand freelance services, and Runway gives you the tools to compete with top-level editors. 7. Opus Clip, turning long videos into viral short clips. Short-form content dominates social media today, and Opus Clip is the perfect tool for turning long videos into highly shareable clips. It automatically analyzes any video, detects high engagement moments, and transforms them into fully edited shorts. This tool is perfect for YouTube automation, TikTok channel growth, Instagram Reels content, podcast clip generation. Creators who use Opus Clip often see massive growth because posting frequent shorts dramatically increases reach and audience size. 8. Suno AI, making money with AI-generated music. Suno makes it incredibly easy to create music in any genre, whether you want rap, rock, EDM, cinematic, or pop. Suno can generate a complete track with vocals and lyrics. The monetization potential is huge. Upload to Spotify and earn royalties. Sell background music to creators. Produce intro, outro tracks. Create commercial jingle packages. Music production used to require expensive software and years of experience. Suno removes all barriers, allowing anyone to earn money in the music industry. 9. Notion AI, build digital products that generate passive income. Notion AI is a powerful tool for creating structured systems, templates, and organized digital workflows. People earn money with Notion by selling productivity templates, finance trackers, content calendars, personal planning systems. These templates are extremely popular on Etsy and Gumroad. With Notion AI's automation features, you can create polished products quickly and efficiently. For entrepreneurs, Notion AI can also automate business planning, task management, and content creation. 10. vidIQ AI, the AI coach that grows your YouTube channel. vidIQ is one of the most important tools for anyone serious about YouTube. It analyzes global trends, predicts which topics will go viral, recommends optimized titles, and evaluates the performance of your competitors. Its impact on YouTube earnings is huge. Better titles, higher click-through rate. Higher CTR, more views. More views, more revenue. vidIQ essentially acts as a virtual YouTube coach that guides your content strategy for maximum growth. Final thoughts. AI is the new financial opportunity. We are living in a time where artificial intelligence is creating more income opportunities than ever before. These 10 tools are at the center of a new digital gold rush, one that favors creativity, speed, and smart strategy. The best part? You don't need large capital, advanced skills, or professional equipment. All you need is curiosity, persistence, and the willingness to learn.